Boy, I'm up high. Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy Darren Brown with Darmac Builders, coming to you live on a beautiful Friday. I'm at the mansion here, and this week was, even though it was a short week, we got a lot accomplished, as you can see. The foreman is going on. I'm pretty much at the last leg of the actual roofed slab beams before the hollow core floor system comes into place. We got to pour all that. That's going to be a big ass pour when I come and think about it. You know, got the safety rails up. I'm up high. I'm stepping in one of the slab beams here, right here, which is going to eventually have steel in it. Where you see that hole right there, where that hole is going to have a steel column with the Nelson stud sticking up. Okay, all this here, the wood on the side is just where people can stand at, that kind of thing. I ain't gonna get too close there because I'm the only one here right now, so that's why I got on live. You're like, ah, you know it's me. So there's going to be a beam here. Is there a beam over there? Oh yeah, there is a beam there. Oh, that's a tall beam too. Okay. Sometimes I got to get things adjusted where I am. Yeah, they got cups in here. Well, they got cups up here. All right, so you see over there going in that direction. Okay, that direction, that's all going to be concrete tie beam. Steel coming up, so I'm going to have a parapet wall that's going to come up once we get done with that. I haven't been here all day, to be quite honest with you guys. I came here late, but that's why you have the right people on the job. So all this wood here, is it concrete here too? Lord, this is going to be a big pour. Yeah, so this is where we are right here. This is all going to be a concrete beam that's going to be this opening underneath. All this one I'm stepping on is going to be concrete eventually. Then you're going to have glass coming up all the way up from the ground to the bottom of the beam. It's like 312 inches, so do the math. Okay. As you can see, it's new plywood, and it's just, we put up the new safety rails here, and then over there, as you can see, we have the other beam that's coming across there, and a slab beam. So next week is going to be a very good week in terms of us finishing up the wood, and then we're going to come in and start putting the rebar in. And as you can see right here, this steel here, we're going to, is part of the beam. So it's from here all the way down there. Man, that's a long beam. And I got to get the width of it, but that's neither here or there. Those guys are going to be able to do it. And I'm walking on it. Shore it up. And walk all the way around. If I told you I was scared of heights, would you believe me? All right, so, and then over here it's going to be a beam. It's not going to be block over it. We at the right elevation that we need to be. Yeah, this is going to be a great pour here, man. Yeah, it is. But once we get this poured, I mean, we pretty much complete it. Once we get it poured, just a little bit more block. We got parapet where we got to do. And then we got one more additional pour, which is going to be the actual lightweight concrete once they come in and put the concrete floor, concrete roof on. So there's really no wood in this house as far as structural. Okay, it's all concrete and steel and rebar, structural steel. So termites are not welcome. All of what you see here is foreign material. And again, like I said, we all should be able to save our foreign material, use it for other jobs, just out here. So this material is going to be stacked or stored, whatever. So I can use it on another job, and another job, and another job. Hope that makes sense. Okay. Oh, okay, we got a beam here. Okay, that's good. and it comes all the way out. And you see where it got a column. This column here is about this house sticks in the it's gonna, so when we pour this is a good example. So the column, steel column, this is underneath here. So when we actually pour this, so I get out my shadow. When we actually pour this, this is going to be in the concrete. So you can see those Nelson studs sticking up. It's going to be in the concrete. That steel column is not going anywhere. Okay. So we got some work. I'm going to show you guys more of it as we move forward. Okay. But yeah, this here is about 15,000 square feet, 2-story, one of a kind. This is what we do. Custom home. There's a 99.9% chance that we're not going to build this house ever again. But that's what we do. We build one of a kind houses. So when you have it, if you see it in the magazine, you're not going to see it on the West Coast. You're not going to see it again on the East Coast. This is it. Okay, this is our stamp of approval. All right, let me get out of here. I'm gonna go on my other social media so you guys can see some of that as well. But hey, make sure you join my YouTube channel, which is Darmac Builders. My Instagram tag is Darmac2001, and hopefully you guys learning something that you see. Peace.